What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm gonna start in a minute. All right, guys. I was just taking care of some emails. Let me take care of this. Okay. What's up, Salvo? What's up, Port City? I'm Breakers. What's up, guests on Ustream? Hope you all can hear and see okay. Just let me know if this is coming in clear and get started. Thank you, Port. Thanks. All right, let me get the recording up and I'll start the four-box break here. Software. I updated the software and everything is in different places now. Okay, here it is. All right, guys, here we go. What's up, everyone? Welcome. This is a four-box 2015 Elite Baseball break on eBay. Ended today on the 14th of July. These are the names. Okay, and All right, some of you guys got multiples. All right, there are a total of 15 of you. All right, good luck. And sorry. All right, sorry about that mishap. Just had to get my phone. 11:01 p.m. Tuesday, July 14th. And here we go. First box. All cards shipped, guys. Base, everything. I keep nothing, just the empty boxes and all this junk of wrappers. All right, good luck, good luck. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too crazy about this elite, but you could get some decent hits here. Carlos Rodon, Buster Posey, Gold Stars, Nolan Ryan, number 19 out of 21 for Starlin Castro, Chicago, Adam Wainwright. Torrey Hunter, Kenny Vargas, All-Star Salvador Perez, Chipper Jones, Adrian Beltre. It's a thick pack. Is this a dummy? Or maybe it's a. Oh, it's just a dummy card. CJ Cron, Joe Panic, Collegiate, Houston Street. I'll find out. College guys go to current team. Terrence Gore, Gary Brown, and a blank. Nolan Ryan, Mariano Rivera, first hit. Ryan Rua for Texas, 41 out of 75. 41 out of 75. Ryan Rua for the Rangers. Ryan Braun and Jonas Cespedes. Mariano Rivera, Nolan Ryan. Scherzer, Big Hurt. Big Hurt again, Gold Stars. Encarnacion, Kinsler. David Price. Josh Donaldson. And we got future threads of Kenny Vargas from Minnesota. This is not numbered. One color, a little dent over here. You can see that, but it's, sorry. That's the cards. And Garrett Richards, Ryan Howard. Fix this. Donaldson and Price. Just need a bigger desk. Everything is cluttered on top of me here. Beltran, Cobb, Chris Bryant hype. Insert for Bryant. Blank. George Brett, 21 out of 25 for the Royals. Nice low numbered hit. Scherzer. Polanco. Perkins. Gomez All-Star. Martinez. Zimmerman. Rosenthal. Holland. We got a gold star of David Price. Rendon. And Whiters or Weeders. Seager. Got Ken Griffey Jr. Bumgarner All-Star. Chris Sale. Hosmer. Got Verlander. Got Matt Harvey. David Price, Collegiate Elite. Current team, this is blank. And die cut. Nice. Nolan Ryan, 13 out of 34 for Texas. Nolan Ryan. Insert. Joey Votto. Fernandez, Marte, and James Talon for Pittsburgh. One color, black, members only, not numbered. Jose Abreu, insert, and Yorman Rodriguez. Springer, Castro, Brett Gold Stars, Liriano, and Wilkins. Kang, Walker, All-Star Goldschmidt, Moss, Fielder, King Griffey Jr., Ripken, got a hype of Javier Baez, blank, Utley, Donaldson. And the last pack with box number 1. Pedroia, Chris Bryan base, and Jake Lamb autograph, 21st Century, Arizona. David Price and Kukul. Alright, box number 1 down, box number 2. Alright. Norris, Altuve, Bumgarner, Scherzer, Frank Thomas. Farmer, Moya, Utley All-Star. We got Legends of Fall, Schilling, Donaldson. Gordon, Tehran, and auto of Hiyashi Iwakuma, autograph 47 out of 75 on card Prism for the Mariners. So yeah, Panini Prism, Ishawa Iwakuma, on card auto 47 out of 75. Nolan Ryan and Mariano Rivera. Greinke, Weaver, Castillo hype, blank, Cron, Panic. Puyos, Renato, Price, blank, and numbered Alex Rodriguez, 148 out of 199. David Price. A lot of David Price so far, base cards, huh? Got Verlander, Hayward, and Domingo Santana for Houston. 21st Century auto, not numbered, for the Astros. Beltran and Cobb. Got Bradley, Kluber, Puckett, Polanco, Perkins. Cueto, Hernandez, and a bat piece, Prince Fielder, 210 out of 299. Milwaukee. 210 out of 299. Pete Rose and another Pete Rose. Guess is one Cincinnati and one Philly. Not sure either one's a short print. I didn't check. Soler, Lane Adams, Seager, blank, Christian Walker, 161 out of 199. Green, Starlin Castro. My man DeGrom, 3 strikeouts today. Can't say his name. Foltynewitz. Mike F, I'll call him. Bumgarner, Walker, Springer. Bumgarner, Longoria, my man DeGrom, Ripken, and Hokang. Seager, Gonzalez, Jones, and bat piece of Alex Rodriguez, 223 out of 299. Alex having a good year. I give him credit. And Griffey. Lucroy, Lester, Ellsbury, blank, Pedroia, Chris Bryant, base. Jock Peterson, base. Finnegan, base. And future threads of Corey Spangenberg, San Diego. One color, not numbered. We get Giancarlo Stanton, stature, Buster Posey. Matt Clark, Susker, Mike Trout, Ian Desmond, 5 out of 21. Red. Nationals, Carlos Rodon. And last pack for box number 2. Darvish, Mashiro Tanaka, Aramis Ramirez, Torrey Hunter, and Kenys Vargas. 2 down, number 3 to go. We got Billy Hamilton, we got Chen, Harper Hype, blank, Victor Martinez, 14 out of 59, die cut. Archie Bradley. Holland, Rosenthal, All-Star Puig, Cuero, Hernandez. Seager, Griffey Jr., Nolan Ryan, Gold Star, Spangenberg, and Graveman. Got Verlander, Matt Harvey. This is a college uniform. Tulowitzki, All Stars, Trout, Taylor. Fernandez, Marte, Teixeira, Collegiate Elite, blank, Carlos Gomez, Ian Desmond. And again, college players go to their current team. So whatever's in a college uniform always goes to the current team. Springer, Castro, and wow, nice hit, Barry Bonds. He doesn't really show up too much. It's not numbered, but it's a one color. Barry Bonds, San Francisco. Not numbered. I never pulled the Barry Bonds before, but Giancarlo Stanton and Matt Whiters. No. Ryan is the Rangers. Actually, this Ryan is California. It goes to the Angels. I think the other one was the Rangers. There was a couple of Ryans. Some of these guys have different teams, like the Pete Rose, Cincinnati and Philly. So there's a few Ryans. I think there was another Gold Star. I'm not sure, but that was California. Kang, Walker. This Gold Star is Frank Thomas, Big Hurt. We got Andy Wilkins, 31 out of 49. Anthony Rendon. Griffey Jr., Ripken, Hernandez, Sale, and Hosmer. Chris Johnson, Chase Utley. Got a hype of Renato, Blank, Weaver, and Darvish. Nick Swisher, McCutcheon, and the auto is Dallas Keuchel, Houston, not numbered, Tehran, and Greinke. Wang, Burrell. This Gold Star is David Price. And Jose Reyes, 61 out of 199. Blue Jays. D. Gordon. Craig Kimbrell. Grichuk, I don't say his name. Cabrera. Legends of the Fall, Randy Johnson. Jose Altuve. Got Upton. Hughes. Reggie. College Elite. The retired guys. I'm going to go to the teams that they spent the most time on. All right, so this is going to, it's not a Yankees uniform, it's Arizona State, so he's going to go to Oakland. Reggie spent more time with the Oakland A's, that's the only way to do it. Stephen Moya, Daniel Norris. Alvarez, Chris Sale, and Carlos Sanchez, Chicago autograph. Unnumbered. It's the White Sox. Renato and Buck Farmer. Neil Walker, Arenado, George Brett, Gold Star, Jason Hayward, Albert Pujols, Alex Gordon, Jimmy Rollins, and Buster Posey, bat, 37 out of 49. 37 out of 49, Buster Posey, bat relic. Kluber and Verlander. That does it for box 3. And final box, box number 4. Good luck. Let's get a big hit on this one. Alex Gordon, Strasburg, gold of Don Mattingly for the Yankees, Hayward, and Pujols. Suchu, Lincecum, Kershaw, Randy Johnson, Justin Verlander. Got Tim Hudson, A-Rod, Ackley, blank, and Jose Fernandez, 160 out of 199 for the Marlins. Green, Kubler. A-Rod again, Freddie Freeman, Edwin Escobar, 44 out of 499 for Boston. Die cut green, 44 out of 49. Felix Bradley. The guy who still hasn't played a game, Mr. Wright. When is he coming back? Matt Shoemaker. Canseco Gold Stars for Oakland. Graveman and Cueto. Iwakuma, Sanchez, and a Javier Baez Jumbo Blue. I don't know, there's a little something stuck on there. You could see it. Future Threads, not numbered. Michael Taylor and Corey Spangberg. Brantley, Sabathia, Hype of, we got it, Schwaber, Kyle Schwaber, blank, Desmond, and Trout. Lincecum, Santana, Stanton, Wieters, Gomez. Cron, Panic, Ricky Henderson, Gold Star, Oakland, Susker, Peterson. Nolan Ryan, Texas, Rivera, Altuve, Tanaka, and Clark. We got Scherzer, Big Hurt, Gold of Teixeira, Collegiate Gold, excuse me. Is this not? This is not numbered. No. Blank, Weaver, and Darvish. David Price, Donaldson, and for Pittsburgh, James Tillon. I think we just pulled him. There's a second one of this guy. All right, unnumbered Pirates. Elise Thatcher Abreu and Zach Greinke. Got Carlos Beltran, Alex Cobb, Clemens for Boston. 15 out of 25, Bob Gibson for St. Louis. Legends of the Fall. 15 out of 25. Sorry about the focus. And Tehran. Polanco, Perkins All-Star, Altuve, D. Gordon. All right, last two packs. Pete Rose for Philly, Pete Rose for Cincinnati, Soler, blank, Moya, Norris. And the final pack, George Brett, Nolan Ryan for Houston, and 38 out of 75, Mikhail Franco for Philadelphia Phillies. 38 out of 75. Anthony Renato and Buck Farmer. And that does it, guys. Thank you very much. I got Friday limited football, and I got a half a case of the new Inception Baseball 2015. So check that out. And that's it, guys. I'll get these cards shipped out probably within the next day or two, possibly three. I don't have much time to sort. I've been working a lot, but I'll get this out to you pretty quickly. Any questions? You got my eBay, and that's it. Have a good night, and thanks again.